Wait, do I mix it up now or?
I'm videoing it.
Until you put the thing.
No, wait.
I'm recording right now.
Is that hydrogen peroxide?
No, it's soap. It's soap.
It's
So does that look like hydrogen peroxide?
Mix it. No, don't mix it now.
Food coloring. Who wants red food coloring?
Me. This is a fat me first.
Here's some. Put like 5 or 6 drops in each one.
5 or 6, that's a lot.
Can someone do it for me?
I'm joking.
Yeah, I feel like I'm
Which one's yours?
that one. I'm so paranoid that I'm just gonna mess it up.
I think I accidentally put like 7.
Is there soap in here, Sam?
Yeah, there goes the
Do I mix it?
there goes the food coloring.
Wait,
Yeah.
do I mix it now?
Food coloring.
Yeah.
Do I mix it now or until you put the?
Nope. When I put the hydrogen peroxide, it's gonna start swirling it around. Right?
Wait, what is
Swirling it around. What the?
good?
Put some. How many drops?
3.
Want a few more?
You almost tripped on my.
I almost broke your Kano.
Guys, my Kano.
Yeah, you almost broke your Kano. Get it? Your Kano.
Wait, why do I have so much?
Volcano, hurricane. Oh no, it's the hydrogen peroxide. Oh, I need some of that.
You recording the whole thing?
Yeah, I'm recording the whole thing.
So that's 5.
Okay.
What? You can't miss any action.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm planning on not missing.
This is Josue's.
Once Oliva's out here, I want everyone to hold theirs so I can just take a picture of you guys holding your volcanoes before we make a mess.
So
Everybody
I have to.
pick up their volcano.
I have to put my phone down. All right, I have to put the thing down. Hold on. Oh,
Everybody can keep these on. Alright, set.
okay. Oh yes, smells good.
Smell it with me.
Alright,
Set together. Get closer, get closer. What are you dropping?
Myself, I can't see.
Alright, get together. 1,
I can't.
2,
I can't see help.
3. Oh, her head.
Yeah.
Ow! Did you get it?
I did, I got it.
No.
All right.
One at a time. What is it?
Me. No. I'm gonna put mine first. Do mine first, please. Say something into the mic.
Hi.
Wait, are you recording too?
Yeah.
Oh shoot. Yeah, it's peanuts. Peanuts. Me. I want to do it. Come on.
Swirl it side to side.
Like this?
Okay, wait.
Alright, once I pour it in, remember, swirl it around. Swirl it around.
I got the volcano.
Don't shake it.
What if it blows up on
You know what I have a good suggestion for? A phone screen that doesn't have any reflection on it.
Wait, do I just have to keep doing this?
Yeah, just swirl. You're fine.
When do we stop?
Swirl for like 30 seconds, maybe. Like you don't have to do it for.
That's Josue.
Either.
Can I have peroxide, please?
Yes, peroxide's coming.
I'm joking, bro.
All right. Now swirl.
Can you take the funnel out?
That's my plan.
Oh, I have an idea. Hold on, I have an idea. Put my phone down.
Yeah, I'm swirling it. Action words. Actions is better than words.
I recommend number 9.
No. It's okay. The show must go on.
Oh, Jesus.
I need to get this on video.
20. Oh. No, I got for what? 21, 22, 23,
I'm standing back.
Yeah, I saw.
24, 25, 26,
All right.
27,
Swirled?
28,
Okay, here we go.
29, 30. Okay, I swirled it for 30 seconds. All right, now what? Now what? Now what?
Swirling it for over a minute.
Now what? A stick?
Just picking up a little stick for everybody.
A stick. Okay.
Imagine it explodes.
He's picking up sticks for us.
Wait. Uh-oh. Oh, I know what's happening.
So we're gonna have to like put the stick inside and then swirl it.
No, I just want a little stick so you can stir it. Grab a stick. Stick.
I got a stick. I got the stick. I got the stick.
Oh my god, he got the stick. I don't want to get a splinter.
I got the
All
stick.
right, who's going first?
Me.
All right. You ready?
Yeah. What do I do?
Okay, I'll go after Ethan.
Use your yeast.
Hold on. Let me just.
Yeast.
It broke. The stick broke.
So I'm going. That's okay. You just look. I'm gonna pour a little bit of warm water in here. You're gonna stir this around. It's gonna smell like bread. It's
Yeah.
gonna smell like bread.
It's gonna smell like.
It's bread yeast. Okay. You're gonna stir it around
It's gonna smell
for a
like
few seconds,
bread.
and then we're gonna pour it into the volcano.
Alright,
You
okay.
ready?
Yep.
Just put it in there.
I'm gonna put my phone.
Hey guys, epic montage of kicking my volcano.
Hot water. Where's the hot water?
I have it.
Yeah.
Hot water.
All right. Ready, Ethan?
I need to see this first.
Pour the yeast. Pour the yeast. Pour the yeast. Pour the yeast. Pour the yeast.
Stir.
Pour the yeast.
Stop.
He said pour the yeast.
Alright, can you move?
That looks like foam.
No, it's okay. You stir it. Stir it.
Oh yeah. Bro, you're gonna knock my phone down.
Make sure that you get it.
Bro, what are you doing? You forgot it existed.
Keep going.
Oh, hi. Can I go next?
Yeah.
My stick.
You're okay. All right. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. Ethan's going first.
Okay, someone grab my phone.
Oh, I'm gonna walk.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
All right. You're gonna pour it in, and I'm gonna remove the phone.
Okay.
Here you
Ready?
go.
What about the stick? Take the stick out.
Ready? Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
I need a few of this.
Oh my God!
That is nice.
That looks so
You
satisfying.
gotta stir. You
I
gotta
really-
stir the yeast more.
I really
Oh my
want to
God.
touch it.
Oh gosh.
Oh.
I really want to. I really want to touch it.
It's really foamy.
Can I touch it?
That was a failure.
All right.
I wish
So what did we learn?
me. I'll go.
It didn't work.
Oh, it worked. It's gonna-
Can I go next? Can I go
Wait, hold on. Here, take this.
My hands are dying because it's so
Bada bada bada.
Me.
Bidi bidi bidi.
It's overflowing.
Bada 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 bada.
Wait, can I have a stick?
Bada bada bada. Bidi bidi bidi.
Gosh, that's
You guys can touch it. It's